Hi there, we continue talking about creating advanced forms in Joomla, and in today's video we're going to explain and show you how to create an email opt-in form. In simple terms, an email opt-in form is a classic email subscription form used to grow subscribers lists for email marketing. Usually, opt-in forms display and pop up automatically by specific triggers. And, of course, to motivate you to submit your email, opt-in forms come with an offer. For example, subscribe and get a 20% coupon code. So, today, we are going to build an email opt-in form for your Joomla site using Balbooa Forms Builder. Let's do it. To create a new form, from the Forms dashboard, click on the button, Add a new item. Enter the form title and click Next. First, we will add a title. Drag a headline from the Fields panel. Enter a title and select an HTML tag, let it be H4. Move to Tab Design and set font size 36 pixels and 48 pixels for line height. Unclick Bold. For the text I will also select the field Headline. All the same, replace the default label to your text. Select Paragraph as an HTML tag and set design settings. Font size and line height we're going to leave as it is. Just unclick Bold. Now let's add fields. Drag Input Field. Label replace to Name. Into the placeholder, type, enter your name. And let's make this field required for filling. Add one more input field. Email, label replace to email, and for placeholder, enter your email. Okay, now we need to add field acceptance. Delete label. In Properties, replace text to your one. And the last field, Submit button, add and replace button label. Now, let's add some styles to our form. Let's start from the Submit button. Navigate to the Design Settings tab, Background, and as always, I will change color to black. In Border Settings, set border radius 12 pixels. And in the Font Settings, unclick Bold and enable Full Width. Now let's move for Form Design Settings. Click Design from the toolbar, Advanced Settings, open Tab Width. Set 600 pixels. Navigate to Spacing and set 75 pixels for all sides. In the Border Settings, set 20 pixels for border radius. Navigate to Label Settings and unclick Bold. Field Settings. Set border radius 12 pixels and unclick Bold in Font Settings. Now let's enable pop-up. Move back to Basic Design Settings, Layout, and set Lightbox. It's time to configure pop-up. Click on the icon gear. Since we are creating an opt-in form that should open automatically, we need to set the correct trigger. Trigger, click, is not our choice. It's for displaying pop-up on button or menu item click. We can choose time delay, displaying pop-up on page after few seconds. We can choose scrolling, pop-up will be displayed after the user has scrolled half the page. Bottom of page, when the user scrolls to the bottom of the page, a pop-up will appear. And the last one is the exit intent, when the user moves the mouse cursor off the page, a pop-up appears. Also, for each trigger you can set how often to display the pop-up to visitors. If you want to display pop-up once per 7 days, just set 7 days in the field session duration. Also, you can set the pop-up position on the screen and animation. Okay, everything is almost ready, but also we need to activate Marketing App Integration to send submitted emails to the mailing list. Click the icon Integrations from the sidebar, Category Emailing. Select the mailing app to which you want to send email. Enter API keys and complete integration. About how to generate API keys and complete integration you can find in the documentation. Link you will find in the description. And the last touch, we need to add a coupon code. Open Submit button settings. Navigate to Customer Email Notifications. Replace subject to something more relevant. And replace email body text. For example, type hello. Here we will add shortcode and text with our coupon code. It's just a simple example. Using HTML and shortcodes you can configure email as you need. So, let's save the form and add it to the site. I will add to the Gridbox page using plugin Balbooa Forms. Let's save the page and let's look at our form. Scrolling down, and here is our form. Okay, we have explored how to build an opt-in form on your Joomla site with Forms Builder. See you in the next videos, and don't forget to subscribe to not miss the release of new tutorials and guides.